Hi, we want to introduce you to all the features available in Z-Focus. The user icon shows settings information for your Z-Focus account. The compass in Z-Focus provides real-time directional feedback, helping you navigate your augmented reality environment with precision. The GNSS menu displays your longitude and latitude and allows you to toggle between internal and manual location settings, providing control over your positioning within the AR experience. The exit button in Z-Focus allows you to seamlessly transition from the AR experience to ArcGIS field maps, ensuring a smooth navigation between apps. The map you have open in Z-Focus will open in field maps so you can make edits to your data. The Maps button displays the ArcGIS maps available to your Esri account, allowing you to choose and load different layers for your desired augmented reality experience. The Camera button enables you to capture snapshots of your augmented reality surroundings, enabling the documentation of your AR experience with a simple tap. The Reports button allows you to generate detailed summaries and share information seamlessly via email. The Ground button facilitates adjustments to the ground plane in the AR environment, providing control over the spatial calibration of your surroundings. The Adjust Features button provides you with tools to customize the camera settings and feature locations, allowing for fine-tuning of visual elements. The Refresh button instantly updates the augmented reality scene. That's it. Now you know all the features available to you in Z-Focus.